Hello everyone and welcome to this module on the mechanical motor vehicle. In today's video, we will learn to bleed the hydraulic disc brakes. By the end of this video, you will be able to bleed the hydraulic disc brakes. Let us start with the tools and materials required for this purpose. Trainee's Toolkit 1, flexible hose as required, glass bottle 1, brake fluid as required, wheel choke 1 set, cotton waste as required. Let us learn to bleed the hydraulic disc brakes. Clean the dirt around the master cylinder. Remove the filler cap. Fill the master cylinder up to the lower edge of the filler neck with brake fluid. Close the filler cap. Clean the wheel cylinder bleeder connection. Connect the bleeder hose to the longest distance of bleeder screw. Place the other end of the hose into the glass jar or bottle which is partially filled with brake fluid. Apply the brake pedal 3 or 4 times until it feels hard. Open the bleeder screw 1/2 to 3/4 of a turn and observe the jar for bubbles. Repeat this until only fluid comes out through the bleeder screw. Close the bleeder screw. Repeat the above steps for all the wheels. Fill the brake fluid again in the master cylinder. Close the filler cap. Close the filler plug and ensure that the bleeder screw is tight in all the wheels. In this lesson, we have learned to bleed the hydraulic disc brakes. Hope you have a clear understanding of this session. Thank you all and see you in the next video.